Kublai pi barok syakatuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kibat bakong san mentah ke Shillong. Jurip Menteri Sarkar India di Kampung Roy Ripoy District. Hun ki he sipai piri isya hadin ke ji kendo hak temperton sipai rangmen umroy. Sa ke Samla Rabina bare ke Yokam Sheri Nongway Maldives. Bat daki umat bakemen pediang hun ke Kong Sicilia ya ke yeng berteman. Bat mentangin ha syiki khubor bakampanya. Dr. Mansukh Mandai Viva, Menteri ke Labour, Employment, Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar India, hadin beula pendep yagi kam ke bedai bekajing penkrek penkrum ya ke 39 National Games arjar arpunyau Shillong ulahir ha ke lai poi terik ujemang shanongpo bani kendo yagi officer jong Khuborjylla district halor ki Kampung Roy balamang ke Sarkar India ban pentrei ha ke ni ke district. Khuborjylla district minta ke don ha ke kerdan aspirational district bagi Sarkar India ketemu banther bon ba ki Kampung Roy ban kentiu ya ke yok ke kon ki jing trai jing kta ki bekentup ya ke jingnang jing tip ha ki skul ha ke rep karyang ke khai pateng ha ki kam than jan ko umbam umdi bat ki we ki jingdan kam ki pai ba ha ki shnong ki tha ha ke ni ke jingwan jurep la pelong ya ke jingelang bishar kam bat ki he officer jong ke district ha conference hall jong ke district rural development agency DRDA nongpo ha ke bal bishar penya ya ke jing pentrei kam ya ke skim scorecard ha ke jaka beper jong ke district ha ke jingelang deputy commissioner Khuborjylla district Abhishek Saini ula ai ya ke jing batai sani halor ke jingya chaprang jong ke skim penroi ha ke district kamtam ki bayadai bat ke pule puthi ke kot ke khia karep karyang bat kiwe ki Kampung Roy patpa. Uba Miril Bonds aim MLA rengkat bagi officer ne kitanat Sarkar beper ki batrekam ha ke ni ke district ki labatai sani ya ke jingya chaprang ha ke jing pentrekam ya ke skim beper ba ke Sarkar India ka lamang na ke benta ke ni ke district. Hadin belawai ke jingelang kilat patai Khubor kila persyang banya keren bat Menteri Sarkar pedeng halor ke jingwan jurip jong u. Henry Uni Menteri ula kentat banya keren bat kilat patai Khubor halor kimat habayatai ha ke jingelang. Henry lepensyai haki da uba Mirul Bonds aim halor ke jingwan jong Dr. Manda Viva kalong ban bishar bat budin ya ke jing pentrei ki skim ke Sarkar India Khuborjylla district. Uba Mirul Bon ula batai bagi Sarkar India kala betha ban pentrei kam sani ya barok ki skim katkum ke jingmang pisa na ke benta ki jing mentoi ke bagi pai pa ki yo haman ki shnong ki thau hathem Khuborjylla.
Ki Menteri Sarkar na ke benta ban wan jongo ban jurip ban review ya ki aspirational district te Khuborjylla district kedigawi na ki aspirational district den tagadau u menteri jong Sarkar pedeng i Shri Mansukh Mandavia budai u minister budai pej ya ka youth affairs and sports bat ka labor jong ka Sarkar pedeng ila sim ya ka benta ban review ban pej ya ka jingjat bej jong ki kam hapo ka district ki ba kentup nadu ka tanat jong ka puling puthi education nang ta ka tlat jong ka health ka koi ka khia nang ta ka agriculture nang ta ka CNRD bat ki badai bat ki umbam umdi nang ta ki PMGSY udah ki surok bat ki wi di ki mat ilayo ban review bat bang ilayo ban ya thir ya than bhai ki mat ki babun kumno ban pentikna ba ka pisa ka bala ai da ka Sarkar bedeng na ka Sarkar bedeng cha ka Sarkar Jylla gide ban pentri kam hok yaki bat ula banjur menteri ru ha ki jinge keren na ka menta ban pentikna bagi jinge rap ki bade ban poi sa ki nong song snong kam tam sa ki pai ba kala bende ke PM Kisan kala bende ke jingrap long bangan iti ayo ke bingiyo ban penbahai ke hospital ye ke labor room lane ban dikenai ke additional classroom hagi school kini baro gide ban trikam nang beta ke jing mentoi jong upat ba tikini gede ki mat lengkot ki ba ngilayo ban keren mene ban nagaliang jong akum u local MLA ngapen pau ke jing sungu ya u menteri wala simkhia ban wan dalade na ko benta ban pej ban khmi ye ki jing don kam hapo ka district ke jungi shushu la haga benta ka ba ila pensko na lor bayo ban review gini program na kaliang jongang la pensko kerpang ya menteri badai pej ya ka kam sports bat ka labor jong sarkar India ban pensengo ya gi katto kat ne teli kimat ka banengkong gede halor jong ka ITI mai dei ru menteri pepej ya kat nat labor te ka ITI ka badon hang ne puri boy district adu mantang ngidang syong ka ying ka bu syong wai pa dio ban shift ka permanent building ing don kam ke jeng kershan na sarkar pedeng ban ai ke jeng rap ki ba ka babiang na ban pendep no ya ka building bat kumju na ka ban penbun ki trade mentang idon tang kumba ar lai teli ki trade dan ang kampen bun susu ki trade kanam kan ai jeng mentoy ki kun samla ki jungi bakin pentibit ilade ha ki mat ki prepare ki skill ki prepare kanam kin la ban yang ki dong kejar kabar kabade halor ke national games Audir menteri bupej ya ketengan sports and youth affairs menin gasngi don Shillong na gamta ban pentikna ya jinga be jong national game na marjar penyo bat ba kum uwe ni ke MLA ka temri boy ngala kerpat ya i ba ya ki katu kan ne teli ki events ma kumbala ban sutu menta ka ni ka national games kin co-host dagi Jylla jong north east ki babun gende Meghalaya gi game hagi we Jylla kan don gawe bat hagi Jylla jongi ki ban host gi game ki babun gede Shillong nang ta hatura bat hajowai te kadang kerpat ya menteri ru na gabanta
ki he shipai ne kiri ki bekentup ne India, Bhutan, Cambodia, Malaysia, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Philippines, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Indonesia, bat Laos kila pelong ya kejingi kenduk lang balai sengi hak temperton shipai harang men umroy banya merjing mot bat ban pashat jing tep markeliang halor ki phang banya kun yu nong shun ye ki le no bat ban wanra e kejingi terelang hapadeng ki perton shipai jong kini kiri balat saus pangut kirang ba shipai ni kini kiri kile kren halor ki kamyada bat ban wanra e kejing suk lengba kejingi terelang hapadeng kiri ki bedon saudong ya keduriau Indian Ocean. Ya kini kejingi kenduk lang la kerteng da kepragati Partnership of Regional Armies for Growth and Transformation in the Indian Ocean region. Ha kini kejingi kenduk lang la penlong ru ya kejing pen inan la ne ke exhibition ni ki tiar thma ki kor ki bor sintiat ki drone ki suloi penlem ki drone ki radar sintiat drone bat ling sunye pom bat bon ki kor ki bayadai kari bagi karkhana kari India ki penmi na kebenta ki jingdon kam ki shipai rengkau ki shipai ling sunye pom bat ki shipai duriau ka Khubor balayo ni ki bor shipai ka yatho lengba kini ka jingi kenduk lang jeng kirang ba shipai ni kini kiri kala wanra ye ka mensim ye trilang ka jingi shanya markeliang bat ye ka mensim basbun ban pashat markeliang ye ki jingnang jingtip ha ki jing start ka phang yadari Leit huo beki he shipai ni kini kiri Asia kila lech pai de ka jinghun jurut shala ka jong kari.
Money from Zen Technologies. Today we have what we have in front of you is the comprehensive, completely integrated anti-drone system manufactured indigenously, designed, developed and manufactured by Zen Technologies Limited. Okay, Zen Technologies has a completely comprehensive counter-drone solution starting from various sensors and large number of shooters, that is the threat mitigation options. So I'll just quickly cover each of them. The one you see in front of you is a vehicle mounted counter drone system which has got a passive detector, an active radar and a electro optical and infrared camera. Okay, so all those systems are available on this platform and various sensors are put on masts so that you can raise them to whatever height for getting good coverage. Okay, in addition to this, the three sensors which I have mentioned, the threat mitigation options we have got again multiple. First of all, the soft kill, what you see on the left side with a lot of antennas, that is the jammer system. It has got, in India, we are at the highest level of spectrum coverage as well as the ranges, the capability to detect at longest range and also threat mitigation at longest ranges. Okay, I'll quickly cover the ranges little later. This jammer has also got spoofer. Spoofer is something which is used for deceiving the drones or any airborne platform about its own position. GPS data is manipulated so that the person doesn't, the drone doesn't know where it is. So based on its wrong location, it will start moving towards another location. So that is what these two soft kill options we have, jammer and spoofer. In addition to this, we have a number of hard kill options. The first one is the weapon which you see here. There is a medium machine gun which is mounted on that. not only the medium machine gun, we can mount any of the automatic weapons, HMGs, MMGs, and NSVT weapons, any other cannon. Like we have already integrated Army Air Defense guns, the 40mm L70, already delivered, and currently we are working on the Zoo 23mm twin barrel gun also. In another couple of months, that will also be available for delivery. So that is the hard kill options. In addition to the guns, which are the kinetic kills, we have non-kinetic kill options, that is a laser weapon and the high power microwaves, which is coming up very soon. And then we have micro missiles and the multi-barrel rocket launches for countering the swarm drones. Okay. In addition to this, we have very, very effective interceptor drones, which can be automatically launched from the system, which will take off, head towards the target, and when they come close to the target, there are multiple options of damaging the target, either by kamikaze roll, directly impacting, colliding with the target drone, or using small amount of explosive to blast near the target so that the target is destroyed. In addition to that, there are options of net deployment. It will go and fire a net which will entangle with the target drone and achieve that kill of the target drones. Now quickly coming to the ranges, the detection capability we have, the radars up to 12 kilometers.
Sa Samla Ravina Bare menta kala yok kamban litre shiri Nongway Maldives. Samla Ravina kala pendap ikijing puli graduate na St. Anthony's College Shillong. Hadin ba kala pendap ikijing puli na Kanika College, kala rung ha Emporium Skills Training Institute Don Bosco Youth Center Lainkra, Baar Banai, Bansha Hikai, Hakikam Aviation, Hospitality, but Cruise Line. Hadin bakala pendap ikanika training minta kala yok ban nitre haka 5-star luxury hospitality ha Maldives. Kasamla Ravina Bare kala mi minta kasngi ban hair sha Maldives ban sedang yegi kam kijam. Kinong peniat bagi samla puli ke Emporium Don Bosco Youth Center kila dapda ke jingkemen halor kini ke Khubor ki kitbok ye kini ke samla bakan nang kiu irat ha ki kam kijam bat ha ke jingem jamka ha ki sngi banwan. Ha ka live hau terik jemang rengkat ki ummat bekemen ke kong Cecilia Makdo na kasinong umteli kala pediang hun min sim jurut na ki kti jong basan kurma kdo ubala pli ke tala bat IT ki shabi jong ke ying shong bethamai ba ke kurma kdo kala penchna bat tei de ke jingirap jong ki kur bat ki lok ki jor jong ki Shwaban IT ki shabi jong ni ke ying bethamai she ke kong Cecilia Makdo la penlong ya ke duai ke pirat da uba diang ros makdo Balakar Kerdo da uba telos makdo. Ubabu Joseph Makdo President Kur Makdo ula donlang bansaki ye kini ke jing ID kini ke ying syakakong Sicilia. Kaseng Kur Makdo kala UE ye ke jing jenjar ba ke jing lanot jong kakong Sicilia Makdo ke beri kun rei nyawut ki kun ki bedang rit ba ke syong ha ke ying ke belajat ratai. Marway hi kini ke long kemi kala pendap penbiang ye kicing bam na ke bentagi kun da ke betrut kat bayok ki kam hasno. Ke kun behedu jong kini ke long kemi kadang dap kat lai snem karta bat ukpa ula syang makia syawe. Da ke jingirap jong ki kur bat ke jing ais ngobha ki lok ki jor ki marjan marpa ki lala ban penyeng ya ke ying syong batmai na ke benta kini ke long ying. Ha kini ke sengi bala IT kini ke ying syong bethamai kini ke kemi rengkat bagi kun jongka kila jau umat da ke jing kemen bat kila penpau ke jing sngongu na du ke donut ya ke jing sebun jong ki kur bat kilok ki jor jongki. Ha ka live hui terik jemang da ki pau hajar ki pat riunget ke balang Katolik na Jylla niam nongston kila tut da ke jing rehemen sim sya ke procession Maria bala pelong dekat St. Peter's Apostle Cathedral Parish Peningray Nongston. Hakapor step la pelong ya kemas bekut bala pen menta da Reverend Padar Ansem Nonglang Vicar General bat la senran lang da Reverend Padar Marius Tongni Parish Priest bat Reverend Padar Carmel Merthong. Hakani kemas bekut adu sispanyo pongut ki habret chenrang bat kentai kila pediang ya ke communion beningkong hakajing jongki. Kijingle niam kila palang da karong bali begini ki habrit kila kup lapong ha kini kesngi. Habas dang kapor no asngi lesdang se ke procession Maria ha kaba ki ba kila ra ya kadurmot jong ka Maria thesati ke kemi ublei ha keleng kilinti jong ki dong kanong ba nong strat. Ke procession kala long shisha ke bapo baping bat ki pat riunget kila shimenta de ki jingdwai bat ki jingrwai bas ngutiang bat basyo mensim baro shilenter kilinti ya jong ki. Bat daki tuki Khubor ngilapoi shikabukut tak haduk pengindai syambiang kublai shibon.